Hello everybody, this is Andrew Deng. In this lesson, I will show you how to install JDK on Ubuntu. So first, let's copy and paste these comments. Click Enter button and click Enter button again. And then we copy this command and paste it on the terminal. Click Enter button. And it will update your repository. Okay, let's wait a second. After this preparation, we finally can install the JDK 1.8. Let's copy this command and paste it in the terminal. Click Enter button and click Y and click Enter button. And you can see that it starts to downloading the JDK 1.8. All you need to do right now is waiting. How long it takes depends on your network speed. Now let's check if we have successfully installed the JDK 1.8. Let's type this command in your terminal and click Enter. So as you can see here, it said that the Java version is 1.8, which means that we have successfully installed it. So let's type another command which is called javac, and you can see this output. So that's it. Thank you for watching. All these instructions can be found in my website, so please feel free to visit.